So how do you live stream on Google Meet through the iPad? So it kind of depends on what exactly you mean by that, but most likely you want to just share your screen with the other people. And if that is the case, let me show you how it works. If you're new on Foxtecc, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So of course, you can open up your Meet, just join at the meeting as usual. And in order to like live stream or share your screen there, you can click on the button at the bottom from the like toolbar, and there is this rectangle with an arrow icon. So you can basically just tap on that, and it's gonna let you stream or share your screen to the meeting. So it will allow you to literally just begin a broadcast. Like that's kind of how it's like called in here on the iPad. Like obviously you have to confirm it at first that you want to like include the audio or not. You have to click again, but as I said, the broadcast will be like available to be started, so no problem with that. And your screen is like automatically shared with those other people. So, this is very likely the thing you have in mind. Of course, once you are done, you just click on the button in the top right to stop it, and then you return back to the regular video call mode. So I really hope that I can help you out with it. I just quickly wanted to show you because it might be quite a little bit harder to find sometimes, and there are also plenty of updates to the app available, so it kind of like changes sometimes. So let me know in the comments below if you managed to do what you needed. If not, let me know about that as well, and I can make an updated video in the future. So stay tuned for that, and I'll see you later.